Hello, my name is Dean with Lee Company, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the batteries in your thermostat. The first thing you're going to do is try to identify a button to depress to pull the batteries off or actually remove the faceplate of the thermostat. In this particular model, there's a button at the top. You'll simply press this down and the faceplate will hinge off. You want to be extremely careful not to pull it too hard down because it is on hinges and you could break those off. Once you've got the faceplate removed, this usually is still attached to the wall. You'll place 4 AA batteries in this, and they are labeled in which direction, positive and negative, they need to go. Once they've been replaced, you can simply insert your hinges first and snap it back into place. Here's another example of how to change your batteries in your thermostat. This is a different model than one that was previously shown. In this particular thermostat, you don't actually have to pull it off the wall. You can leave it on and simply find the button on the top right-hand side. Depress that and it'll pull out 2 AAA batteries. Once you remove those, you can simply put them in the exact same way they came out. Hinge at the bottom, pop it at the top, display will be shown. As always, thank you for choosing Lee Company with all your HVAC needs. If you have any additional questions, visit us online at leecompany.com.